Hello friends, welcome back to Simply Study. So in this video, I'm going to show you some math tricks for squares for number ending with 1. So let's see how to do all this in just few minutes. There's a simple rule for this. You have to square the number, then you have to double the number, and then in the end just write 1 on the rightmost side. So let's start with the first number. Let's take 31 square. For 31 square, we'll start with the right hand side. We'll just write down 1. Then for doubling, 3 into 2 gives us 6. And for square, 3 square, that is nothing but 9. So let's see a final answer. 3 square is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. And 1 is as it is. So 961 is the final answer. Let's see for another number. Let's say 41 square. For 41 square, again starting with the most easiest right hand side, writing 1, 4 into 2, that is your double, and then doing 4 square. Now 4 square is nothing but 16. 4 into 2 gives us 8 and 1 is as it is. So the final answer is 1681. Let's now try for 71 square. For 71 square, writing the most easiest, that is 1. Now 7 into 2 and then writing 7 square. Now 7 square is nothing but 49. So we'll write down 49 below 7 square. Then 7 into 2 is 14 and finally 1. But if the middle number is of 2 digit, we'll take a carry, that is 1, and we'll add it to the previous number. So this will become 49 plus 1, that is 50. 4 will remain as it is and writing 1. So the answer is 5041. So let's take a 3-digit number. So now we'll do 121 square. For 121 square, writing the simple most thing, that is 1 on the rightmost side. Then 12 into 2 and writing 12 square. Now we all know that 12 square is nothing but 144. So writing 144 below 12 square. 12 into 2 is 24 and 1 remains as it is. Now we know that square of a 3-digit number is 5-digit number. So we need to take carry from the number we doubled, that is 12 into 2, 24. So we need to take carry of 2 and add it to 144. That gives us 146 and 41 remains as it is. So the final answer is 14641, that is 121 square. Now let's try for even bigger number. So taking 251 square. 251 square will be 1 from the rightmost side, 25 into 2 and 25 square. Now we know that 25 square is nothing but 625. So writing down 625 below 25 square. 25 into 2 is 50 and writing 1 as it is. Now here also, as the middle digit is a 2-digit number, we need to take a carry of 5 and add it to 625. So the final answer will be 630 and 01 will be as it is. So the final answer is 63001. With some practice, you can do these calculations without writing the middle step, and this will help you improve your maths and increase your marks. If you find this maths trick helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you will use this in your daily practice and even in exam. Share it with your friends so that even they can benefit from this. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.